What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to open a hotspot on your iPhone. You can do this in one of two ways. First, you can swipe down from the upper right corner of your screen to open the control center. You'll find the options for the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth and so on, but there isn't an option visible for the hotspot. If you tap on hold like the Bluetooth, you'll expand all the options and you'll find the hotspot as the very last one. You can turn on the hotspot from here. Now you can tap on it to enable the hotspot. The second method, and the method that will give you most control, is through settings. So you'll open settings. You'll find here the personal hotspot option. If you tap on it, it'll ask you if you want to allow others to join or if you want to enable it. I did enable it from the control center, so let's go ahead and disable it for now, just to show you. You can also change the password. Here you can view the password, the Wi-Fi password for the hotspot. You can give it to the one you want to connect to your hotspot, and you can tap on the password to change it. Now, all you have to do is to enable the hotspot, give the person you want to connect to your hotspot your password, and he'll be connected.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.